to this learning variables and data types in JavaScript. This is code. JavaScript is a versatile programming language used to make our websites interactive and dynamic. A variable is like a container that holds a value. It helps us store and retrieve information easily. Now, let's talk about data types. JavaScript has several data types, such as numbers, strings, booleans, arrays, and objects, to name a few. Numbers represent numerical values, like 5 or 3.14. They enable mathematical operations and calculations. Strings represent text closed in quotation marks. They allow us to work with words or sentences. Strings are useful when it comes to displaying messages. Booleans are true, false values. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like for more.